Listen, my friend, you gotta believe in yourself. You gotta believe in yourself even if you are feeling scared, even there are so much fear and anxiety. You gotta believe in yourself. You gotta believe in the big life that God has for you, that Mother Earth wants you to live. And when you start your business, when you start to, share your art with the world, and when you start to do something different, you gotta believe in yourself, even if in the times when you feel like, oh my god, nothing is happening, nothing will happen. It will for you. It will for you. Okay, do not give in to the fear, do not give in to, and you're meant for it. When I started my business, it was just like I was always scared. I was like, am I meant to do this? Do I even know this? Do I what? There was so much doubt. And also, once you begin, even if you don't know the entire journey, but if you have the clarity of your next step, you follow that, who you become, like you create the magic in your life by the choices, by your daily choices. So in the times of fear and uncertainty, choose that expansion, choose that growth for you. There are going to be fears like, oh, will I be taken care of, will I have the money to pay my for my food and for my rent, will my needs are just the survival fears and all of that. But nothing, when you commit to the bigger vision of your life, the creative life that you want to live, and your creativity, it's like when you came here to do something, you can't, like, knowing, once you have the awareness of it, if you try to suppress that, you will not be able to sleep, you will not be able to live, live like in peaceful state, if you are avoiding your calling, your creativity, your art. You will not be able to. And the path forward is just like going ahead, going for the bigger things. It's not you like suppressing or playing small. No, all that people pleasing, and no, 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 nothing, none of that. You're gonna, like, it's so much magic that happens when you start to believe in yourself. And it's like, oh my god, how do I believe in myself? I don't know how to believe in myself. By taking the damn action that you are meant to take. Okay, every day when I started my YouTube channel, I was not getting any views, I was not getting, when I started my business, any clients or anything. And there were doubt, and to this, it's been two years. Oh my god, oh my god, today is 26th of February. This video will come out later. But I started being consistent on 2024 Feb 25. And just so beautiful, really beautiful. I didn't know anything, I didn't know, but I just kept taking the actions. Action brings the clarity, action brings the the polishing of your skin, polishing of your skills. Action creates that. Do you think I am perfect right now? No, I'm not at all. Okay, so you gotta believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. And how do you believe in yourself? You take the important action that you're meant to take. That's all. You just show up. You show up today, and you feel like, oh my god, it was not perfect, it was a mess, and then you show up again tomorrow. Even if the doubts are hard, even if you're like, oh my god, is it working, is it not working, and all of that, if there is inspiration within you, you're gonna, like, it's that thing, you practice your self-care. You gotta practice the self-care, and then you will naturally feel the pull towards what you're meant to do. So many times, I was like, this YouTube is not working, definitely not working, and my business is definitely not working. I'm not meant to teach people, I'm not meant to guide people. Who am I to even do so? I'm not even good enough. How do you teach people? How do you even guide them? How do you mentor them? I always have these kind of doubts and questions and all of that. But God kept pushing me, like I was just being led, I was just being led to continue, and that happens, with, like, when you, it's like that commitment, when something is for you, you know, it's the commitment happens through you. It just does, it just does on its own. And it's so beautiful, really beautiful. It's such a beautiful who you become, you know, in the journey. In the journey, whatever it is that you want to have, you're gonna have it. But that's not fulfill you. It's like who you become in the journey, really. Wow, when I began my YouTube channel, I was such a people pleaser. I was scared. I was terrified of speaking my truth and owning my truth. I was like, okay, what if I fail in front of people? And I was scared of sharing my vulnerability. I was trying to be somebody who I was not. But this journey of me showing up every day, you know, it showed me what my standards are, and told me to stay, like, taught me to stay stuck with them. It taught me my worth. It taught me, you know, speak authentically, to stay connected to my heart. Had I not begun my YouTube channel, I would not have established this deep connection with my heart that I have today, you know. And I am so more than like committed with this, on this path, more than ever, because it has been so fulfilling. It has truly been so fulfilling, and I am just so grateful for the younger version of me that kept making videos, that kept sharing the truth vulnerably, and that, like, just like, and also like the, you know, the beautiful gods and goddesses of creativity, goddess Saraswati, and all the other gods and goddesses of creativity that inspired me every day, and like Mother Earth also. Because showing up, you know, it was, wow, it was just this mysterious energy. And when we are following our dreams, you know, or our inspiration, we are led by mysterious energies, mysterious beings. So yeah, keep believing in yourself, keep persevering. Book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for deeper levels of support, guidance. Link of that is in my bio. And if you want, like, my 12 weeks of mentorship will do magic for you. If you feel like, oh my god, I'm not good enough, I'm not gifted enough, I will reveal the magic that you have within you, okay? And like, you want to move through unworthiness, wound, shame, fear, guilt, and all of that, link of everything is, you can bring more magic in your life by getting my magic paintings. They will literally transform your life, such like the way you will start to walk in this world, talk in this world, and like navigate things. Like, you will become such a braver, bolder, confident version of you, and there is so much peaceful and sacred energies. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me, thank you for leading my way. And super powerful. Living around this painting will definitely transform your life. You will emerge as a new being, and like there will be purification, there will be expansion, there will be magic, okay? Simply magic, okay? And you can also hire me, and I will channel a customized magic painting that will be uniquely for you, that will bring success, like the energies of success, high vibrations, and peace and love, and just super magical, you know. You become wow, very powerful, very powerful. You like literally should hire me right now and have me channel a painting for you, because wow, beautiful. It's, the magic is so big, okay? It's really so big and so beautiful and incredible, okay? Yeah, link of everything is in my bio. And you can also donate for my rent, food, and bills, and tip me, because it will, you know, support me a lot, and I would love it. Woohoo! Yay!